In this video, I'll be showing you how to make big text in Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can make text look significantly larger in Discord using two formatting techniques. Now, Discord supports header sign text, which instantly changes small body text into massive, bold titles. So what we want to do is open up Discord, and then before your message, all you want to do is type in a hashtag, and then do one space, and then just type in anything you want like so. And then basically that's going to be bigger text. And what you could do is if you want medium or to large text, you can do two hashtags. And if you want standard bold text, you could do three hashtags. So let's just say I wanted to type in like and subscribe. I just realized I spelled that horribly wrong. Go ahead and press send. And then it's going to be in big text as you can see right there. And you must include a space after the hashtags and the hashtag must be the absolute first character on the specific line of text, or the scaling engine is just going to end up ignoring it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.